Lot number 202 is a 2020 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor. This is an all-wheel drive model. It's got a 3.3 liter with only 34,000 original miles. Now this one has heavy collision damage to the front driver's side corner. It took a hard hit right in the front driver's side corner. It appears that the axle is broken. It's got damage all along the driver's side. The front bumper, the hood, grille, headlight, fender, driver's side rear door, and rear quarter panel are all damaged from the accident. The driver's door is also dented right here. Passenger side has damage to the fender and the door. The door is dented right there, and the fender is dented. The rear door and liftgate appear to be in good shape. Now, I had this one running for about 10 or 15 minutes and realized it leaked out a lot of transmission fluid. So I shut it off. I only ran it for about 10 or 15 minutes, so not long enough to know if it's going to overheat or not. But it did not overheat. The engine sounds good. The automatic transmission engages, but only by pressing the emergency release. It doesn't just come out of park. It's stuck in park. Let me start it up so you can hear the engine. I'll show you the miles and the hours. It's got 34,000. Check brake system light is on. Service advanced track light is on. The park brake fault service now is on. Hill start is not available. Pre-collision assist not available. And service advanced track. Now, let me get to the miles and hours here. All right, it's got 6,836 engine hours and 5,217 engine idle hours. 34,135 original miles. All right, I'm just gonna start it for a minute so you can hear the engine. Engine sounds good. It is leaking transmission fluid, so I'm not gonna let it run much longer than this. Engine sounds good, revs up nice, idle smooth. As you see, it's leaking probably from the radiator or the transmission cooler. It's leaking a lot of transmission fluid. Windshield is cracked. All right, so let me give you a quick walk around here. Front axle is broken. A lot of damage to the front end. Both doors, rear quarter panel, all dented. Let's look at the liftgate. Liftgate looks good. I don't see any damage. Cargo area looks messy. The cage will be removed. It's missing the spare tire. The liftgate looks good. I don't see any damage on it. Rear bumper has minor scratches, but also looks good. This one has a full-size tow hitch. These plastic panels in between the rear glass, it's cracked. It's got a drilled hole from emergency lights that have been removed. Here is the passenger side. Passenger side looks good. Rear quarter panel, rear door looks good. Passenger door has a small dent here. Maybe fixable, reusable. Lower trim is loose. Headlights are both damaged from the accident. Driver's side tire is blown and the rim is bent. The other three rims and tires look good. They look fair. and hold air. Interior shows normal wear. It's got multiple airbags deployed. The floorboard, the steering wheel, both driver and passenger seat airbags, and both curtain airbags are deployed. The dashboard is not cracked. The driver's seat shows wear. Passenger seat looks good, but it is damaged from the airbag being deployed. It comes with a metal center console. Rubber mat on the floor is torn. The rear seat is black vinyl, and it shows some wear. Looks like they threw some stuff on here. It's dirty, but it doesn't appear to be torn. It may clean up well. Again, the cage will be removed. Let me show you the passenger side. Here's the passenger door panel. Looks good. Passenger door. A lot of good parts here. This may be a good parts vehicle, or maybe you want to repair it. It will need a lot of work. All right, so there it is. Comes with a clean title. It's a 2020 Ford Explorer, Police Interceptor, all-wheel drive. Engine sounds good. Transmission engages. AC does nothing. The blower does not turn on at all. It's lot number 202. Good luck.